Hey everyone, Peter here from the Kostecki Real Estate Group. And today we're in the beautiful Chicopee neighborhood showcasing my newest listing, 41 Quinte Crescent. The curb appeal captures your attention, and without the need to ever worry about outside maintenance, including snow removal, you can simply relish the atmosphere. Step inside into a carpet-free interior boasting over 1,500 square feet of exquisite living space above grade, highlighted by elegant maple hardwood flooring and a beautiful staircase. Let's check out my top 5 reasons why you want to make this house your home. Number 5, carpet-free main floor. Step into something truly special on this main floor. A lovely view of the front foyer welcomes you, featuring California shutters and maple hardwood flooring that extends throughout the entire home. Abundant natural light pours in through the numerous windows, highlighting charming architectural details like the gracefully curved wall leading into the kitchen. The living room offers both a walkout to the tranquil backyard as well as a cozy gas fireplace. The main floor also includes a stylish, updated 3-piece bathroom with beautiful tilework and a convenient stand-up shower. Number 4, inviting eat-in kitchen. This charming eat-in kitchen truly stands out. You'll appreciate the quartz countertops, spacious apron sink, pot lights, ample storage, Fisher & Paykel appliances, a Bertazzoni gas range and oven, under cabinet lighting, and a convenient breakfast bar. A cozy dinette area is surrounded by beautiful windows overlooking the serene tree-lined street. For special occasions, a delightful formal dining room awaits, providing a fantastic space to entertain. Number 3, tranquil outdoor haven. Step outside and unwind in your own retreat. Experience serene tranquility in this zero-maintenance backyard, adorned with a private patio and charming gardens nestled against the scenic Chicopee Ski Hill. Let the gentle sounds of nature envelop you, providing the perfect opportunity to reconnect and rejuvenate right in the comfort of your own outdoor oasis. Number 2, bedrooms and bath. Upstairs, the beautiful hardwood continues, where you'll find 2 bright, well-appointed bedrooms, including the primary suite with double closets. The main 5-piece bath doesn't disappoint, with double sinks and a shower tub combo. You'll find laundry in the unfinished basement, along with plenty of storage space. Number 1, location. Chicopee is a quiet, family-friendly neighborhood which offers plenty of parks, schools, and walking trails. You'll enjoy easy access to popular Chicopee Ski and Summer Resort, the Grand River, shopping at Ferry Park Mall, and quick and easy access to Highway 401 and the Expressway. Thanks for tuning in. If you're interested in this home, check out the website below. And for more great homes, don't forget to follow us on social media. For the Kostecki Real Estate Group, I'm Peter Kostecki. We'll see you on the next one.